Hello, viewer. Good evening. Here we are again with Finance Typhoon to discuss various issues related to stock market and banking. Nowadays, things are not fine because you have heard Silicon Valley American Bank is failed, Signature Bank is also going to be failed, and some other banks are failed. So the meltdown and turmoil in finance and stock market is globally seen. So in this scenario, the importance of stock market and banking increase manifold. As you know, stock market plays a significant role in development of economy. Stock market facilitates mobilization of fund from small investors and channelize its resources into the development of needs. That means whole things is covered. So today we will discuss a lot of things related to the SEBI. Why SEBI? Security Exchange Board of India is the most important organization which establish and create a history in Indian stock market. So when it established and under what act it is established, that is a question popularly known and asked. SEBI established. So SEBI established under Parliament Act 1992. It covers a lot of things. So answer is first 1996 and both and none is wrong. In 1992, this is a red letter event in Indian stock market when a very important watchdog and important regulatory body come into the existence. Let us come to the next question. Composition of SEBI is also many time a lot of viewers asking what is its composition, how it makes. So this is the primary body which consists 5 members. Basically 3 members are very crucial members being elected by government, and one is mandatory from the RBI and one is chairman. So basically 5 members are there. So 5 members, and second option is 4 plus 1 chairman. So I think the third one is right answer. 5 members is also right answer, and 4 plus 1 chairman is also important composition of SEBI board. So this is the answer. We have to be evaluate a lot of things about the SEBI. Be tuned to our channel. How many members of SEBI boards are appointed by central government? This is always an issue of debate because somebody thinks a central government nominated some of the members which do not have a lot of knowledge about the account, tax and other financial market. But it's a doubt. Since 1992, 5 to 8 times the people are selected are well-renowned people from retired RBI governor, sometimes academic guys. So 3 members are selected from SEBI, renowned people or professors from different domain knowledge. So 3 members, that answer is first. Next, SEBI is a $1 billion question versus SEBI status. Sometimes somebody says a corporate body because corporate law followed by SEBI. Sometimes somebody says it's statutory body. Somebody says executive body. So little more, this body have a mixed character. 1988, when SEBI concept come into the mind, so it was deal with company law 1956, supposed to be a corporate body. So sometimes somebody says a corporate body, it deal with a very much professional way, but ethics and some issues related to society are ignored. So its area should be increased. So in 1992, a Parliamentary Act 1992 come into the existence, so it becomes a statutory body. So now it is functioning as a statutory body, but a lot of company laws are being implemented. The answer must be third, that first and second. Next, a fourth, fifth question. These are sometimes a repeated questions. Many times it is asked, so we have to take. T+2 rolling settlement is come into the existence in 2013 because working days, in a working days we got a settlement, otherwise we get a delay, a lot of delay. So complaint is registered. So under a very crucial scrutiny, T+2 rolling settlement is introduced. If you request for settlement on Monday, by Thursday you get your settlement. So 2004, 5, 6, none is not correct, 2003 is correct. Next one, what would you mean by front running in stock market? This is buzzword in market because this word has a very heavy word. Hue and cry is there, media is there. A lot of pundits knowing the stock market are debating on the front running in stock market. What is it? You go for the trading on price sensitive information, trading on equity, both 1 and 2 and none. So front running is a prohibited under the SEBI Act 1996 because you have a sensitive price sensitive information and now you utilize. Sometimes you are board member, sometimes you are CS, sometimes you are in a manager position. The dividend is declared after a week and you know high dividend is declared, so you trade according. Sometimes you are doing to trade and buy and sell your stock and something capital appreciation is going to be happen. So such type of trading on price sensitive information is called front running in stock market. That is a disease. The first is answer is correct. Nowadays is in a nude. That's a current item because Axis Bank Mutual Fund, Virus Joshi and 2T other fellows get mileage of front running. That means sensitive information and bag a lot of money, and SEBI come with a very heavy hand and impose a lot of penalty. So front running is price sensitive information. You are aware inside information and capitalize in your trading. 7. What are the new initiatives recently being taken by SEBI? I forget to write the SEBI, but in continuation of SEBI, SEBI has taken at least 11 very important things because 17 and 90s are very gray era where the confusion is arise among the investors. A lot of banks are failed. Ketan Parekh and Harshad Mehta case are coming here. Corporate banks are failing. So SEBI has taken a very bold step and introduced very important mechanism to curtail fraud and fraudulent activities. In a first case, NSE used screen-based trading. Now you can watch greater degree of transparency all over the world. If you are sitting beside the screen, nothing can be hide. Second, risk management, because risk management is also risk and return trade-off is a magic formula of doing the trading. So we introduce a lot of mechanisms so that investor can avoid their risk and mitigate the risk. And derivative, at as told you, NSE is the greatest heaven to trade derivative all over the world. BSC has a very less amount of derivatives. Derivatives is work as arbitrator, as a hazard, remove risk. Suppose that in future the timings and your prices are up and down due to the systematic environment, you can save from the derivatives. So I think out of 11, I have given three most important recent development by SEBI. So scheme-based trading, NSC, and risk management, and also introduce the derivative so that we can avoid a great loss and we have a very healthy trading in India. Next 8. Co-location scandal is pertaining to the co-location scandal has a very important bearing in the mind and area of stock market, because since NSC come into the existence, screen-based trading is happen. A terminal is divided to lot of regional exchanges so that you can access the main NSC. So sometime by heavy pay fees, some private broker take the nodal access, and some nanosecond to 3 second before a screen go to the play, they got a price sensitive information. So they take a mileage of millions and millions of dollars. So that is co-location scandal pertaining to NSC. So a right answer is second, NSC. And you have heard a lot of things about this. After a co-location, SEBI come with a very heavy hand. You have heard the name of Chitra Ramkrishna, very dynamic lady who created history in NSC. But co-location scandal come into the figure in last 2022, and 100 crore penalty is imposed by SEBI to the defaulter. So that is huge penalty. Update and co-location will not happen in future. We hope so. GETF, very notorious word in the area of India and China. Gold exchange traded fund. They are introduced in 2005 and 6 because we are great lover of gold. Due to buying a lot of import gold, our women are great lover of gold. So we have consumed a lot of gold and we invest a lot of money, and this money is become idle. This is not liquid one, so that is not good for the economy. So many times government try to impose import duty to make it dearer. Some estimate in the last decade that 100 ton and more than 100 ton we imported from various part of the world import, and we slack a lot of money of economy, lot of saving of the women especially go to the gold, so that will hinder our investment. So government come up with the gold exchange traded fund, which bearing the value of gold and also up and down increase they benefited, and this is the good sovereign bond. This will be started 2005 and 6 budget. It is implemented in 6. So basically answer is the first 2005 and 6. That is very important bond. If you got chance, you should buy. A better investment as well as hedging and as well as your investment. Green show option is also a very important initiative by SEBI and introduced in all stock exchanges. What is it? It is initiative to stabilization tool to stabilize the prices post listing of IPO. 1 and 2 are correct. What is it? Green show option is a device which stabilizes the price of IPO, public initial offer, and after listing sometimes rumor are there. So IPO go up and down, sometimes wipe out. You have heard the name of Adani is in a very limelight. Before a 10 decade, the quarrel between the Adani brothers and IPO come in infrastructure and generation of power. It got badly failed. Some after that, using the green shoe option by SEBI, it is oversubscribed. So green shoe option is very important tool of stabilization the price of IPO. So answer will be third, that this is stabilization tool as well as using for stabilizing the post listing IPO prices. Thank you so much. We are very happy you are subscribing and increasing the number of views of Financial Typhoon. But my colleague is angry because you are not being stay and subscribe. So be part of this. Our initiative to give you the phrase knowledge around the world, what is happening in current sphere of economy and stock market, so that you can be updated and get ready to face UPSc, UPHSc and other competitive exam, and being a civilized person of knowledge economy, you brush up your knowledge and be ready to fight everything. Thank you so much.
हमने पाँच कर दिया।
क्या कर दिया?
पाँच कर
पॉज कर दिया, रुक जाओ,
पाँच
पॉज